Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Check out these high temperatures today, near record high levels, 66 in Terre Haute. We also hit 66 at the station, 65 down in Vincennes, 63 in Crawfordsville. I mean, spring fever definitely hitting the valley today. And I wanted to show you an interesting thing, though, about how quickly things can change this time of the year. These are current temperatures all across the country. And look at this. Dallas is 72. But International Falls is 17. I mean, there's a lot of cold air pretty close by, but I want you to focus on this area right in here. Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma, where temperatures are in the 50s and 60s, okay? So similar to us with the temperatures. Right now it's in the 50s and 60s. But look at this. As we head into the weekend, that same area, winter storm watch, where they're going to get quite a bit of snow. So things can change quickly this time of the year, and that's a prime example. The Texas Panhandle, western portions of Oklahoma, near Oklahoma City, going to be looking for quite a bit of snow. We're going to watch that system because it might impact us a little bit by Monday. It looks like Monday would be our time period. Whether it's rain or snow, we'll have to see as we get closer. 66 degrees, the high at the station today. Yep, we were close. We missed it by 1 degree. 67 stays in the record books. We set that in 1938, but boy, we got mighty close to at least tying a record high today. No rain. It's been dry so far the first part of this month. 9 days in, not any rainfall. Some tonight possible with a front coming in, maybe even a couple thunderstorms during the overnight hours. Wabash River in Terre Haute continues to come down. It's at about 10.5 feet. So here's what we're looking at then. We do have some changes on the way. First of all, a few showers tonight. Wouldn't rule out a couple thunderstorms. Cooler over the weekend, although still above normal. Monday system passing south of here, but could impact us, and then it is going to turn cooler, especially later next week as we start to see that change in the pattern we've talked about after about the 15th. Terre Haute right now, look at this, 60 degrees out there. Winds are southwest at about 10 miles per hour. You think it's probably March or early April with these temperatures. Again, these are current temperatures, right around 60 all across the area. Deep moisture to the south. We're getting in on some of that. Some of our northern counties, though, have not seen as much cloud cover, but you can definitely see a lot of moisture. And then there's a front coming in from the northwest. And so what that's going to do is kind of squeeze out some of this moisture, and that'll generate some showers in here later tonight. Nothing right now showing up on the Dorsett Automotive Doppler radar. Now, I did want to show you something. Yesterday, if you were watching, we were showing your radar where we had severe weather not far from here. All of these are severe weather reports northwest of here from yesterday afternoon. And interesting, you get up here just north of the border. This is Illinois and this is Wisconsin. And just to the north of the border, we actually had a tornado reported. It was an EF2. Not only was the tornado, it was a pretty strong tornado in southern portion of Wisconsin. To tell you how rare that is, it's never happened before. There's never been a tornado reported in the state of Wisconsin in the month of February, ever. And they had one yesterday, so some pretty bizarre weather across the Midwest. For us tonight, we're in good shape until later, after midnight. Watch this. Say 1 o'clock in the morning, we start to see some showers, a couple of embedded thunderstorms, but it's gone early. This is mostly a quick-moving thing overnight, but you might hear a little bit of some thunder out there. Tomorrow, just some clouds, cooler, but still nice. As we head into the day Sunday, I think we'll see a little bit more sunshine. Temperatures are pretty good as well. We'll have to watch the Monday system, though. That's the one that could bring a little rain, snow in here as we head into Monday. So for tonight, then, it looks pretty good after midnight. That's when we see some showers. Wouldn't shock me to have a couple thunderstorms. 45 for the low. Then for tomorrow, a lot of cloud cover, but the rain is all gone. Temperatures are nice, but they're not nearly as nice as today, a high of 50. And then after that, we'll cool off maybe a little bit more as we take you into Sunday. Got to watch Monday. Could be some rain, snow with that southern system, but then at the end of next week, turning it even colder with a high of 41 next Friday. That's your forecast. Sports coming up right after the break.